Good afternoon, everyone. This is Christy with Van Natten Company. It's Tuesday, August 9th. I'm going to go over the markets with you for the day. You had mixed trade across the board for grain markets as you found some support midday and then faded towards the close. Corn closing down just over 2 cents lower. Beans up 3.5 to 4. Wheat mix there as you're coming into a time frame that is going to be hot and dry, though a lot of people think the crop is far enough along that it's not going to cause any issues here. And you know what you really saw was confirmation into the midday model that majority of this corn belt should get some rain over the next 2 to 3 days, some really actually decent totals coming into the hot and dry that it really shouldn't cause too much of an issue replenishing that soil moisture. So that put a little bit of pressure, and then also you were against some technical resistance levels on soybeans. So that was enough pressure to really push the market just a little bit lower. So beans well off their high on the day, being up about 15 to 16 cents at one point, but still closing the green nonetheless. Meat markets, you were mixed there as live cattle, feeder cattle had additional support on cutout values being higher on the day, and then you got lower trade into the meat markets just slightly there as you're coming into increased production here once again into this hog market. There's plenty of hogs around, so you just try to fight that, but for the most part you got to let that supply come through and then deal with it as it goes. You are against some key support levels moving forward on the technical side of things, but really overall there's a lot of production we need to deal with right now. Outside markets all favorable to start off the day and then faded throughout the day. Actually crude was up well over $1 and then actually down about 30 cents towards the afternoon, and then the dollar was slightly lower as well. Dow market faded off as well also. So moving forward, what you're going to be looking at is probably choppy trade leading into Friday's big crop report. That's going to have an update on yields. So you have that trading both sides of things on these markets. And then weather, like I said, not a whole lot can happen. You know the crop's fairly decent here, but they'll be watching those rain totals over the next 2 days. I do have to close with the disclaimer. Trading in futures and options involves risk of loss and may not be suitable for all producers. Have a great day.